everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making ghost pepper wings with Blackened Ranch. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need chicken wings, flour, cornstarch, sugar, buttermilk, mayo, sour cream, ghost pepper hot sauce, ghost pepper powder, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, accent, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, dill, and parsley flakes. We're going to begin by making a brine. Add 2 cups of water to a bowl. Add 1 cup of buttermilk. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, a half tablespoon of accent, and a half cup of ghost pepper hot sauce. Add the wings to the brine. Cover with plastic wrap and allow to marinate for at least 2 hours. For the best results, marinate overnight. Now let's make the Blackened Ranch. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Place the seasoning to the side. In another bowl, add 1 cup of mayo, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, a half teaspoon of dill, and the blackened seasoning. Combine the ingredients and refrigerate. Now it's time to bread the chicken. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour and a half cup of cornstarch. Season the flour to taste with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and accent. Next, add 4 teaspoons of ghost pepper powder. Adjust according to your spice tolerance. Remove the chicken from the brine and coat with flour. Allow the chicken to rest on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Fry the chicken for 8 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, ghost pepper wings with Blackened Ranch. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.